with OCRV in Yorba Linda. So we repair a lot of commercial trucks and do a lot of custom fabrication work here at the shop. A lot of people don't know that, but we are a full service fabrication shop. Aluminum, stainless steel, steel. So here's a semi-trailer that's got some specialty storage boxes that are mounted up underneath of it. And this thing got in an accident and a car came along and took out these boxes. So these old boxes here that just got wiped out, and they've got slide out trays and custom storage in them. So we had the new boxes fabricated, but when the boxes come to the shop, we have to take out all the old slide trays and then weld in all the reinforcements and all the mounting brackets for all the slide trays and custom storage accessories that are in these boxes. So if you've got a project, any commercial vehicles, collision repair, custom project that you need done, bring it on. We can do it for you.